Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be focusing on this soft wearable eye look I've created. It's all drugstore price, so it's very budget friendly, and I really enjoy this like soft mauve-y look. It's really great for any situation. I am also going to be showing you how to upgrade it with a pop of color, so if you're looking for more of like a day to night situation or you just want options with this. So if you'd like to see me create this soft mauve-y look, then just keep watching. So to start off with this look, we're going to use a soft color in our crease. And for this, I'm choosing the ColourPop and Kathleen Lights collab in the Libra. So this is a shade that was originally in the Zodiac palette that she created with ColourPop. And I really love it, and I know that I'm going to hit pan on it, so I got this little single. So using a big fluffy blending brush, we're just applying that and blowing it out into the crease. So if you saw my BoxyCharm video, this is a Luxie brush, and I was kind of poking fun at it because it is so big. It's just a huge brush, but it works well when you just want to get color on your eyes quickly. So just working that back and forth, building the color slowly. I love this shade because it really can work well in a lot of great looks. And then once I have that shape in place, you can see I'm taking a very just a small blender, and it has no product on it, just clean to really blur out those lines. And now to add a little sparkle. So here's the star of the show. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Pigment in Amber Rush. This used to be such a hot ticket item here on YouTube, and I really still love it. It has such great high shine. I do like to apply it to my brush and then wet that brush down with either water or Fix Plus or any setting spray to really make it super metallic. And it also does help kind of like stop the fallout from a shade when it's a little bit more damp. So when I'm looking for a really highly intense shine, I go for a flat shader brush like this. And this is one from ColourPop. I think it's actually a concealer brush, but it works really well, especially when you're going to be working with a damp shadow. So I lay that down first, and then I go back with that clean blender brush and just blur that line where the shimmer shade meets your crease color. And we'll do the same on the other side, so you can just see how highly reflective and almost like liquid metal this shade looks. I really love it. It's like the most natural glam that you can possibly get, so easy to use, and I think that this is really something that we should be bringing back, is the infallible pigments. So moving on to liner. So I chose to use the ColourPop liner in Brouhaha. First of all, the ColourPop liners are so creamy that when you're looking to smoke out the lash line, they're a perfect liner to use. But I really do love this cool brown shade. It really goes with anything. And because this shade is a little bit more on the cooler tone side, I didn't want a brown that's more like golden or warm. So just working that really close to the lash line and then going through with the, I believe this is the E21 brush from Sigma. This smudger I really like. It's nice and firm, so you can really work the color into that lash line. It would also look super pretty if you chose to use a plum or like a deep purple shade on the lash line. I think that could look great if you're looking for something other than a brown, but this Brouhaha is totally one of my favorites. So then just working a little bit of the Libra shade on my lash line with a pencil brush, just to give a little bit of added shape, and in all honesty, working a little bit of a natural color along the lash line helps to disguise any fine lines that you have. And of course, now that I'm done with my eye look, I'm going to go ahead and set the face. I always like to do this before I apply mascara so that my mascara doesn't get damp. Using ColourPop BFF mascara in Brownie Points. This is a great rich brown mascara, which just gives a little bit more of a soft effect than a black mascara does. And I know I'm using quite a few ColourPop items for this look, but when we talk about like budget items, ColourPop has such great formulas and beautiful colors, and you can find some of the items at Ulta, so they're easy to find. So here we have our daytime look. This is such a quick and easy look, and I think it really can be so fresh for every day. And now I just wanted to show you a quick little day to night upgrade and also a fun little way to have some wearable color. So I'm taking a ColourPop liner. This is Fast Lane. I don't think that this shade is available, but I do really love these ColourPop liners for that creamy formula. Just running that lightly along the lower lash line and then taking that same Sigma smudger brush just to help spread that and give it a little bit of a smoky effect so it isn't quite as harsh underneath the eye. You could add a bit of a coordinating color over the liner for extra staying power and a little bit more smokiness, but I just wanted to keep it simple. And I really do love this smoky teal shade. I think it really is a great way to add a bit of color that isn't overly dramatic. But if teal's not your thing, you could do a plum, even like a navy blue would be really great with this color scheme. Off camera, I did add a little bit more of the brown liner to the top lash line just to make it a little bit deeper, and an extra coat of mascara for good measure. I think this color combo is so pretty, and it's the perfect way to tiptoe into fall makeup. And here we have our updated nighttime look. So as you can see, just that little bit of smoky like teal liner really just kind of adds like a little drama and glamour. You can see that it has a little color to it, but it's not too bold. And I think that these grayed out tones are really nice for the fall because you really get that like jewel tone, but it's not quite as intense. So I do know that this Fastlane ColourPop liner that I used, I can't find it on the website anymore, but you could really use any like teal liner that you have. And I really love this Sigma smudge brush, the E21. It has a little bit more firmness than a regular pencil brush, so I really like to use these when I'm smudging out the lower lash line with a liner, just because you have a little bit more firmness, and I think you actually have a little bit more control when you're looking to not like blow it out too much. So what do you guys think? I think this is a great quick way to add that little extra something for nighttime. I did go ahead and just add one more coat of mascara to my bottom lashes. So if you're going to do this at the start of the day, just go ahead and smoke out your liner before you put on your mascara. I had to disrupt the mascara a little bit to do the second look because obviously I wanted you guys to get the full effect of the first one. But I love this look. What do you guys think of the brown mascara? I think it's something that we don't really do a lot. I think most of us reach towards a black mascara, but I love the brown mascara just for that like softer effect. It's so pretty. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed getting to see this simple look. It's great being able to have those budget-friendly options. I really miss using single shadows. I think it's something that we don't do a lot anymore. Most of us have palettes. It's fun being able to reach for just a couple shadows to get a quick look. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Let me know down below, do you prefer the daytime or the nighttime look? I hope you guys will give it a go. Let me know how it works for you. And also leave a comment down below letting me know if there's any content you guys would like me to create. I'm really looking for the videos that you guys would like to see. Thanks so much for watching and supporting my channel. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos, and I'll see you really soon.